Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jotform and PayPal checkout. This integration allows you to collect payments directly through your forms, making it incredibly useful for selling products, accepting donations, or processing payments without needing a separate checkout system. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your forms and integrations. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on this button to begin the process of building your new form. This is the starting point for creating any type of form in Jotform, whether it's a simple contact form or something more complex like a payment form. Next, you'll see several options appear. Click on Form from the available choices. This will take you to the form creation interface where you can choose how you want to build your form. From here, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over your form's design and functionality rather than using a pre-made template. Then choose Classic Form as your form type, which provides a straightforward layout that works well for payment processing. Now you'll be in the Form Builder interface. On the left panel, locate and click on Add Element. This panel contains all the different fields and features you can add to your form. From the options that appear, click on Payments. This section houses all payment-related integrations that Jotform supports. From the payment options, select PayPal. This will add a PayPal payment field to your form. Once you've added the PayPal element, shift your attention to the right panel where you'll see the payment configuration options. In the Payment Connection section, you'll notice a yellow button. Click this yellow button to initiate the connection between your form and your PayPal account. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account and authorize Jotform to process payments on your behalf. Follow the prompts to complete this connection, then click Save to confirm your settings. This step is crucial as it establishes the link that allows payments to flow from your form into your PayPal account. Finally, to make sure everything is working correctly, click Preview Form at the top of the page. This allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to users and test the payment functionality before publishing it. And that's it. You've successfully set up Jotform with PayPal checkout, creating a seamless way to collect payments through your custom forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.